for tuning in to Cook with April on Tasty Tuesday with our taste tester, Justin.
Hello.
Sorry we've been missing. We renovated our kitchen. It's now a white kitchen.
As you can tell, yes.
See?
Very different
background.
background.
I love it. I love it so much, you guys. But if you guys want to see the entire kitchen and things like that, I'm going to have a video on April Dina 7. And also, we have like the progress in our vlogs, April Justin TV. But let's get to the Oreo Cheesecake Bites, you guys. These are really easy. And the longest time is for the cooling time. But making it doesn't take that much long. So go ahead and stay tuned. So let's go over the ingredients. You'll need at least 1 package of Oreos. I use a little more than that just because I want to crumble some on top of the Oreo cheesecake after. I like using a food processor to crumble up the Oreo. It just makes the crust really fine and less time, because I used to like roll it, put it in a bag, roll it. That takes so much time, but if you guys want to do that, go ahead. It's fun. It's like if you're stressed out and you like need to do that, do it. Along with the Oreos, you'll also need melted butter, and that's going to be for the crust, and vanilla extract for the cheesecake recipe. You'll also need some butter, granulated white sugar, sour cream, of course, cream cheese, and then some eggs. And then for a chocolate drizzle, this is optional, but I love a chocolate drizzle on top of cheesecake. This is chocolate chips as well as condensed milk. So let's get started. So we're gonna place the Oreo cookies in there to crumble this up so that it can be a delicious crust. Let's do just a little bit at a time because the food processor will get overwhelmed and not crumble it up. So now we're gonna keep adding more. We're gonna do this entire package of it. We want it to be really fine, but then we're gonna do another batch that's gonna not be as fine, like more crumbled. But this is for the crust. And I melted the butter because it was just getting a little too hard. So you're gonna place that butter with the Oreo crust and mix together, and this is just simply your delicious crust. So you guys, it looks perfect, and I'm just gonna place it in a bowl right now because I need the food processor to make more Oreo crumbles, just less fine. Get this guy out of there. Do you see that? It is perfect for a crust. So let's go ahead and get some muffin liners and place this in the bottom of a muffin liner. Maybe 15 or more Oreo cookies in here, and we're gonna do like a rough crumble. Like, we don't want it to be too fine, but this is for incorporating it into the cheesecake as well as crumbling it on top. So let's pulse one time and see. So do you guys see that rough crumble? Some are too big, but I could just crumble that with my fingers, but this is what we're looking for. Now it's time to beat the cream cheese with the granulated white sugar. Now we're going to add the butter and mix. Now we're ready to add the sour cream. Now we're ready to gradually add the egg. So we're going to just add one at a time, slowly. Lastly, we're ready to add the vanilla extract. now we're ready to fold in some Oreos that we crumbled so that there's like an Oreo crunch in every bite. So now we're ready to scoop it in the muffin liners. I'm using like a cupcake scooper. It's the perfect amount. Do you guys see that? Perfect. Of the crumble on top just so that you can see the Oreos, and then we're gonna add some afterwards as well, but I wanted some on top like this. So after I've added the crumble, which makes it look so delicious, and also I added the crumble because then you don't have to worry about your cheesecake cracking, because then no one's gonna see it because the crumble's on top, you know? So we're gonna bake this at 325 degrees for 25 minutes. So let's go and do that. You guys, the cheesecakes are transferred into the fridge. I'm gonna cool that for maybe about 2 hours or so. And if you're close to that time, you're ready to make your chocolate glaze. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's add the condensed milk first. I'm gonna just do half of the can. I'm gonna save this though. I like it with strawberries, you guys. And then you're gonna add the chocolate chips. And you're ready to mix that on a like low heat. It melts pretty easily. This is my favorite for everything. I use it for cupcakes. I use it to put on top of butt cakes. Condensed milk and chocolate chips. It's so good, you guys. If your cheesecakes are hardened, you're ready to drizzle that chocolate right on top like this. I'm so excited to eat these guys. So good. Alright, we have our taste tester.
Oh my goodness. Don't mind if I do.
Me too, don't mind if I do. Michelle. Mmm. Mm-hmm.
These are good.
Mm-hmm. Oh man. Mmm.
This is good.
Mm-hmm.
It's like, I don't know, it was not what I was expecting. It's not super firm, it's really fluffy.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
The crust with the crumbled Oreos and stuff, it always reminds me, April always makes this ice cream cake for my birthdays. Yeah. She always uses this crust, you guys. What is it, just butter and crumbled Oreos, right?
And that's it.
So you've got the firm bite of like the Oreo crust on the bottom, the fluffiness of the cheesecake.
Yes.
The like the the chunky, a little bit thicker crumbles inside and on top with the ganache. This is a crowd pleaser for sure.
Oh yeah.
If you want to impress someone, you know what? This looks a lot fancier than it actually is. Like this is not that hard to do, right?
No, it's not at all. Yeah. Impress someone, like, am I impressing you though? Like, that's the whole point of it all.
Can I have your number?
Yes, you may. I'm married to you, you see? But you may have it. If I ever change it, you'll be the first to know. Yeah, anyways, friends, thank you so much for watching. If you guys are an Oreo lover, a chocolate lover, a cheesecake lover, you know what? This inspired me from Cheesecake Factory because I know they have an Oreo one. Yeah. Anyways, friends, thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed, give it a thumbs up, subscribe. Give it a thumbs up if you're excited for finally new videos. And we'll see you guys next time. Bye. It's been a while.
Bloopers.
It's been a while. This is the... So let's pulse one time and see. Oh, it's not up? Oh, what happened?
It's not properly attached.
Oh, my bad. I am rusty today, you guys.